Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Boulevard Hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, 24-hour front desk and a bar. Boulevard Hotel is located in Miami Beach. Each room here will provide you with a TV. Private bathroom also comes with a shower. At Boulevard Hotel you will find a 24-hour front desk. Other facilities offered at the property include meeting facilities, dry cleaning and laundry facilities. The hotel is 0 feet from Ocean Drive, 650 feet from Art Deco Historic District and 0.9 miles from Lincoln Road. Miami International Airport is 9.3 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.